Hi, this is Elena from Spotahome, Madrid, and today I want to show you a 9-bedroom apartment located in calle Atocha. This is in Atocha neighborhood, so you have very close Atocha railway station where you can find metro and trains, and Renfe as well, but closest metro station is Antón Martín. This is a very nice area because in Antón Martín and Tirso de Molina is the city center of Madrid. You are very close from Portal Sol as well, and here you can find shops and bars and restaurants, and also you can walk into many places, and there are several buses here to go to different points in Madrid. Okay, so location is really good, and now we will start with the tour. You will come to the house through this gate, then you will find living room here, and we have bedrooms split over there. There we have the kitchen, bathroom, and we have 2 more bathrooms there and the rest of the rooms. So let's start with the video with the living room, because this is a very big house. As I said, we have 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Here we have a sofa with a table here, a couple of chairs, and the television over there. So here you can relax and enjoy your time. Then here we have bedroom 1, 2, and 3. Let's start with bedroom 1. Each room of this house have their number here on the door, and they have key, independent key. So here we have bedroom 1. It comes with a double bed. We have a desk and chair over there. Look at this balcony. We'll come outside now. This big wardrobe, I will open and you can check the space. Here and here. And there we have the desk, another desk and chair. So this room have 2 desks and a mirror here. And heating unit is here for the window. Alright, so you see this balcony, beautiful balcony. We will see, we'll come outside. So this is calle Atocha. Atocha railway station is on this side, and over there you can find Sol. It's a Molina. Alright, let's go inside again. So here we have bedroom 2. We cannot visit now because it is occupied, but we will see bedroom number 3. Here it is. So we have a double bed, desk and chair, small bedside table over there, the balcony, and in this side you can see electric heating unit over there, and the wardrobe is same wardrobe as in the bedroom number 1. Let's open here and see same view, and same kind of balcony. Let's check the wardrobe. So it is the same as in bedroom 1. Good. So now we come back to the living room. We will see the kitchen. Here we have, so it is fully quiet kitchen. We have a washing machine, oven, cook, dishwasher here, and fridge and freezer is here. And in this side we have this table with microwave, toast maker. Let's check here. You have anything you need to live in. Dishes, pots and pans, anything. And here we have some other space with another fridge and shelvings for keeping food and anything, cleaning stuff, and rack for drying your clothes. Great. Here we have bedroom 4. So this is very big bedroom. We have a double bed, bedside table, check balcony again, desk and chair, and we have 2 wardrobe here, 3 doors wardrobe and 2 doors wardrobe. Here you can hold your clothes, and here you have some shelves. Check heating units are there, some small mirror here, and here also some more space. So this is a really spacious bedroom. Let's check again the balcony, and it's same view as from the other rooms. This balcony is closed with this glass, but you see the street is the same. Good, so let's come back over there through the living room, and here we have bathroom A. So sink is here with a cupboard, toilet, and a bath that you can use as shower, of course. Check it from this side. And we have here this space and a couple of drawers as well. Good, great. And now we will see this side of the house through this corridor. So here we have bedroom 5. So we have a double bed, bedside table, wardrobe over there, some other furniture, shelvings, desk and chair, and here we have the mirror. The view from here is to this interior patio, so this side of the house is very quiet. And the wardrobe is the same. You see it's 3 doors wardrobe, so here you can hold your clothes, and here you have some shelvings. Heating unit is down there. Great. So this was bedroom 5. Now we will check bedroom 6. This is a small room. We have double bed, and over there we have desk and chair. The view from here is to the same patio as from bedroom 5. This is the window from bedroom 5, so super quiet room as well. And we have here this big wardrobe. And here we have some drawers as well. Okay, good. Here we have bedroom 7. So we have single bed, desk and chair, and here in this side we have a mirror and drawer here. Check the view. This is to interior patio, but you see there is a lot of light coming. We are in a 6th floor, so it's very lighty and very quiet as well. Great, now let's go to bedroom number 8. Here we have again a single bed, desk and chair. In this side we have wardrobe. And the view is the same, to the same interior patio. Very lighty and quiet room. Good, you see this is a big house. Now bedroom number 9, here we have, you see all the light is coming, it's same view, but you see we're in 6th floor, so we have double bed here, bedside table over there, and here we have desk and chair, and this built-in wardrobe. and some more space up there. So see here again, same interior patio, very lighty and super quiet. Good. So now we have here bathroom. See, we have mirror, sink with the space. Toilet is over there. Here we have the shower, and we have built-in wardrobe here as well. So for bed sheets and anything you need, you can keep it here. Good. And bathroom B. So we have in total 3 bathrooms in this house. Here it is, sink, toilet, and 2 bath that you can use it as a shower as well. Good, so now we come back through the corridor. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video tour through this 9-bedroom apartment and 3-bathroom apartment. Remember, it's located in calle Atocha. This is closest metro station in Santo Martin. Super nice area with cinema, shops, restaurants and cafes, and you are very close from Atocha, where you can find metro, Renfe and the train station as well. So that's all. It was my pleasure. My name is Elena and you are here in Spotahome, Madrid. Thank you so much. Bye bye.